At 4 months, your baby is embarking on a remarkable phase of discovery, growth, and achievement. This is a time when subtle movements transform into purposeful action, and the world becomes a playground for emerging curiosity. Watching your baby reach their first milestones is a joy, and as an informed, loving parent, you play a vital role in nurturing their development. At Mommy and Baby Bliss, we believe in guiding you with expertise and reassurance every step of the way. This month is particularly thrilling, as many babies start to attempt their first rollovers. It's a sign of growing strength, curiosity, and coordination, and it lays the foundation for future milestones like sitting, crawling, and eventually walking. But physical development at 4 months isn't just about rolling. It's also about refining motor skills, discovering hands, and learning how to interact with the environment. Let's explore how to support your little one's progress, what to expect, and how to create a safe, enriching environment that lets your baby thrive. The world through your baby's eyes. Imagine the world as your 4-month-old sees it. Every sound is new, every color is vivid, every touch is a mystery waiting to be unraveled. At this age, your baby is developing a deep fascination with their surroundings. Their vision is improving, allowing them to track moving objects, recognize familiar faces, and focus on toys or hands in front of them. Auditory skills are growing too. Your baby now responds more consistently to your voice, music, and household sounds. Touch is perhaps the most immediate sense for a 4-month-old. Through grasping, swiping, and exploring with their hands and mouth, babies begin to understand textures, temperatures, and shapes. This multisensory exploration is essential for brain development. Every experience builds new connections, forming the foundation for lifelong learning. First rollovers, a milestone of strength and coordination. Rolling over is one of the most exciting milestones at 4 months. It typically begins with rolling from tummy to back, as this movement is easier for babies who have been practicing tummy time. Rolling from back to tummy usually comes a little later, often around 5 or 6 months. However, every baby is unique, and there's a broad range of normal when it comes to achieving these milestones. Rolling over is more than just a cute trick. It's evidence of growing neck, shoulder, and core strength. It also demonstrates improved coordination as your baby learns to shift weight and use momentum to change positions. This skill is a stepping stone towards sitting up, crawling, and exploring the world independently. Signs your baby is ready to roll. You might notice certain behaviors that signal your baby is preparing to roll over. These include lifting their head and chest high during tummy time, sometimes using their arms for support, rocking side to side when lying on their back or swinging their legs and hips, reaching for toys or objects just out of reach, causing them to twist or shift their weight, kicking legs with vigor, sometimes rolling onto their side. These signs are all indicators that your baby's muscles are strengthening and their coordination is improving. Encourage these movements by providing plenty of opportunities for safe floor play, encouraging motor skills and first rollovers. To support your baby's physical development, create a nurturing and stimulating environment. Here are expert tips to help your 4-month-old build motor skills and reach their first rollover. 1. Prioritize tummy time. Tummy time is essential for developing the muscles needed for rolling, sitting, and crawling. Aim for several short sessions each day, gradually increasing the duration as your baby becomes more comfortable. Lay a soft blanket on the floor, place your baby on their tummy, and encourage them with toys, mirrors, or your smiling face. If your baby resists tummy time, try laying them across your lap or on your chest while you recline. Singing, talking, or making gentle movements can make the experience more enjoyable. Remember, even a few minutes at a time can make a big difference. 2. Offer interesting toys and objects. Place colorful toys just out of reach during tummy time to motivate your baby to stretch, reach, and eventually roll. Soft rattles, textured balls, or crinkly cloth books can capture their attention and inspire movement. Rotate toys regularly to keep things fresh and engaging. Mirrors are also wonderful tools at this age. Babies are fascinated by their reflection, and reaching for the other baby encourages arm and core strength. 3. Give plenty of floor time. Allow your baby time to move freely on a safe, flat surface. Avoid keeping your baby in swings, bouncers, or car seats for extended periods, as these can limit movement and delay motor development. Supervised floor play gives your baby the space to practice new skills at their own pace. 4. Encourage side-lying play. Gently help your baby spend time on their side. This position encourages them to reach for toys with both hands, bring their hands together, and practice rolling movements. Support your baby with a rolled-up towel or small pillow behind their back for short periods. 5. Engage in playful interaction. Your involvement is one of the strongest motivators for your baby. Lie on the floor beside them, make eye contact, and talk, sing, or play peekaboo. Your encouragement and positive attention boost their confidence and make learning new skills fun. 6. Respect your baby's pace. Every baby develops at their own rate. Some may roll over as early as 3 months, while others take until 6 months or later. Celebrate your baby's efforts and progress, and avoid comparing milestones with others. Building fine motor skills. At 4 months, your baby's hands are opening up to a world of possibilities. Fine motor skills, the ability to coordinate small muscle movements in the hands and fingers, are developing rapidly. You'll notice your baby brings hands together to the midline, often clasping them or exploring with their mouth. Grasps toys placed in their palm, though releasing them may still be tricky. Swats at dangling objects with increasing accuracy. Follows moving objects with their eyes and tries to reach for them. To nurture fine motor skills, offer lightweight toys that are easy to grasp and safe to mouth. Soft rings, cloth dolls, and textured teethers are excellent choices. Let your baby explore their hands and feet, as this self-discovery builds body awareness and coordination. The importance of sensory play. Sensory play is crucial at this stage. As your baby explores different textures, shapes, and sounds, they're building neural pathways and learning about cause and effect. Simple activities like feeling a soft blanket, listening to gentle music, or playing with a crinkly toy can offer rich sensory experiences. You can also narrate daily activities, describing what you're doing and what your baby is experiencing. For example, "This blanket is so soft," or "Listen to the rattle, it makes a fun sound." Your words help your baby connect experiences with language, laying the groundwork for future communication. Safety first, creating a secure environment. As your baby becomes more mobile, safety becomes increasingly important. Rolling over can happen suddenly, so always supervise your baby during tummy time and never leave them unattended on elevated surfaces such as beds, couches, or changing tables. Here are some safety tips to keep in mind. Use a firm, flat surface for floor play. Remove small objects, cords, or choking hazards from the play area. Keep pets and older siblings under supervision during baby's playtime. Ensure that toys are age-appropriate, free of sharp edges, and made from non-toxic materials. Always place your baby to sleep on their back, even if they can roll over independently. If your baby starts rolling in their sleep, there's no need to reposition them, but continue to follow safe sleep guidelines by keeping the crib free of loose bedding, pillows, and toys. Supporting emotional and social growth. Motor development is just one aspect of your baby's growth at 4 months. Social and emotional skills are blossoming too. Your baby is becoming more expressive, smiling, laughing, and responding to your voice and facial expressions. They're learning that their actions, like reaching, kicking, or cooing, can elicit a response from you. Building a strong, secure attachment is just as important as supporting physical milestones. Respond promptly to your baby's needs, offer comfort and reassurance, and spend time cuddling, talking, and playing together. These interactions foster trust and confidence, creating a loving foundation for future learning. Recognizing and responding to your baby's cues. Every baby is unique, and learning to read your baby's cues is an essential skill for parents. At 4 months, your baby communicates through sounds, facial expressions, and body language. Watch for signs that your baby is ready to play, such as bright eyes, smiles, and eager movements. When your baby turns away, fusses, or rubs their eyes, it may be time for a break. Respecting your baby's signals helps prevent overstimulation and ensures that playtime remains enjoyable and beneficial. Remember, short, frequent play sessions are often more effective than long periods of activity. Celebrating milestones and embracing individuality. While rolling over is a major milestone, it's important to remember that every baby develops at their own pace. Some babies may focus more on vocalizing, while others are intent on mastering physical skills. Some may roll early, while others take their time. What matters most is supporting your baby's unique journey and celebrating their achievements, big and small. If you have concerns about your baby's development, such as difficulty holding their head up, lack of interest in reaching for objects, or stiffness or floppy movements, don't hesitate to consult your pediatrician. Early intervention can make a meaningful difference if delays are present. Tips for parents: caring for yourself. Caring for a 4-month-old is a rewarding but often exhausting experience. Remember to care for your own well-being as you nurture your baby. Ask for help when needed, take breaks, and connect with other parents for support and companionship. Your health and happiness are essential to your baby's well-being. Cherishing the everyday moments. This stage is filled with fleeting moments: first giggles, curious glances, wobbly attempts to roll, and the warmth of your baby's gaze. Take time to savor these experiences, capture memories with photos, jot down milestones in a journal, or simply pause to breathe in the wonder of your growing child. Your baby's journey is a mosaic of small, everyday achievements, and your loving presence is the thread that weaves them together. The bond you're building now will last a lifetime. Building a routine that supports development. Consistency and routine provide comfort and security to babies. At 4 months, your baby is likely settling into more predictable patterns of sleep, feeding, and play. Creating a gentle routine helps your baby know what to expect and ensures they have ample opportunities for rest and exploration. Try to include regular periods of tummy time, play, and social interaction throughout the day. Follow your baby's cues for hunger and sleep, and be flexible. Growth spurts and developmental leaps can temporarily disrupt routines. With patience and understanding, you'll find a rhythm that works for your family. Partnering with your pediatrician. Regular checkups with your pediatrician are important for monitoring your baby's growth and development. At the 4-month visit, your doctor will assess physical milestones, check weight and length, discuss feeding and sleep, and answer any questions you may have. It's a great opportunity to talk about concerns, learn about upcoming milestones, and ensure your baby is thriving. Vaccinations are also part of the 4-month checkup, providing important protection against illness. If you have questions or concerns about vaccines, feeding, or development, your pediatrician is your trusted partner. Mommy and Baby Bliss, your companion in the parenting journey. At Mommy and Baby Bliss, we understand that parenting is a blend of joy, challenge, and wonder. Our mission is to support you with evidence-based guidance, expert advice, and compassionate encouragement. Whether it's celebrating first rollovers, navigating sleepless nights, or finding the right toys for development, we're here to help you and your baby flourish. Remember, you are your baby's first teacher, advocate, and source of comfort. Trust your instincts, celebrate your successes, and know that you're doing an incredible job. Frequently asked questions. 1. What if my baby isn't rolling over yet? Every baby develops at their own pace. Some babies roll as early as 3 months, while others take until 6 months or later. Focus on providing opportunities for tummy time and floor play. If your baby isn't showing interest in rolling or struggles with head control, discuss your concerns with your pediatrician. 2. How much tummy time should my baby get? Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of tummy time each day, broken into short sessions. Gradually increase the duration as your baby becomes more comfortable. Always supervise tummy time and make it a fun, interactive experience. 3. What toys are best for building motor skills at 4 months? Lightweight, easy-to-grasp toys are ideal. Look for soft rattles, textured balls, cloth books, and teethers. Mirrors, play gyms, and crinkly toys also encourage movement and exploration. 4. Is it safe for my baby to sleep on their tummy if they roll over at night? Always place your baby to sleep on their back, even if they can roll over independently. Once your baby can roll both ways, it's safe to let them find their own sleeping position. Keep the crib free of loose bedding, pillows, and toys. 5. How can I tell if my baby's development is on track? Look for signs like good head control, reaching for objects, smiling, vocalizing, and attempting to roll. If you notice stiffness, floppy movements, or lack of engagement, consult your pediatrician. Final thoughts. Caring for your 4-month-old is a journey of discovery for both you and your baby. Each day brings new skills, deeper connection, and the joy of watching your child grow. By creating a safe, loving, and stimulating environment, you're laying the foundation for a lifetime of learning and exploration. At Mommy and Baby Bliss, we're honored to be part of your parenting story. Together, let's celebrate every milestone, nurture every curiosity, and cherish every moment. Your baby's first rollovers and growing motor skills are just the beginning of a beautiful adventure, one that you and your little one will share, step by joyful step.